kálẹ̀ gbogbo èèyàn lólùfẹ́ Ajé ọmọdé mo mà tún ti gbede o ṣùgbọ́n kí n tó tiẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fídíò tí mo fẹ́ mú wá yìí mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Yèyé Kúdí no ìyá yẹn try àṣírí mi wà tí Yèyé Kúdí tó tún tú síta ṣé mọ̀ pé ńgbà tọ́rọ̀ Mohbad ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn kan béèrè pé ṣé kò sí CCTV camera nílé Mohbad ni gbà yẹn a gbọ́ táwọn kan ní wọ́n ní kò ṣiṣẹ́ bí wọ́n ní nǹkan kan yọ ńbẹ̀ ìgbàkàwò kan ṣùgbọ́n gbà yẹn ẹni tó ní ilé tó jẹ́ landlord ilé yẹn sọ pé irọ́ CCTV wà nínú ilé ó wà nílé wà ń ta àṣírí ti tú o Yèyé Kúdí gbẹ ó tún dára Yèyé Kúdí tún dára ó tú jáde ẹ wo ẹ sáré wo fídíò yìí.
They actually have CCTV. They have CCTV. In fact, I don't want to be playing I will just show something. Look, that is not Sfei Shara. Look at when she was. This is Mohbad's house. This is CCTV outside Mohbad's house. That is not Sfei Shara. Okay? This is not Sfei Shara. Look at when she was coming. Look at her. That is her. Can you see who went? They opened the gate for her. She came in. This is her. Now, I hope you saw it. I'll play it again. See, this is Mohbad's house. This is the car that brought Nurse Sfei Shara. This is Nurse Sfei Shara. Wait, you people will see it now. This is Mohbad's house. This is the car that, see her. Can you see her? That is Nurse Sfei Shara. When the gate was opened for her and she came. In fact, that house has gate man. Now, there's a CCTV. The police are able to show us a CCTV of Nurse Sfei Shara coming into the house. Came with a taxi. Came into the house. Okay? Now, why are they not able to show us the CCTV of when they were going out a day, or I mean the day Mohbad went out on the 12th of, no, not that day you people saw it on the 12th of September, when Mohbad came back from party on Sunday, from Ikorodu, I mean, from the concert. Or the day, if they are able to show us when Sfei Shara came in, what about the one when Sfei Shara was going, when they were rushing Mohbad out of the house? Where is the CCTV? Where is the CCTV? To show us that when Mohbad came back from concert, the CCTV is there. You people remember that the landlord said there's CCTV, even inside Mohbad's home. When he came back and the police said they were told, I believe, because they said it's an interim meaning a meanwhile report. It doesn't state clearly that they did their investigation. Interim is a meanwhile, because the understanding they had is that Mohbad was murdered. They haven't done investigation now. It was, I think, as in after the inquest, now hearing that Sam Larry and what's his name, Naira Marley, they are not involved directly. They may be indirectly, but directly in the death of Mohbad. That is why they left those boys. No, it's Emma. They had given this press conference since 2 months ago. Many of us, anger not let us see them. Yeah, I will show you again. Anger no let us see them. Why can't they give us the one? See, it's CC footage. I'll show you now. Footage proof Mohbad wife. You understand? See, you see it. This is it. This is it. It's Mohbad's house. See, this is not Ishara. This footage was since 2 months ago. Over 2 months ago. See her coming in. That's her here. When they went to open, look at her coming in. Can they show us the CCTV of when Mohbad came back home after the party? The concert. Can they show us the CCTV of when, at least maybe he was yet to give up at home, or he gave up at home and on his way out? This is given to us by the police. Many of us, in fact, it was after I sat down, they show, you know, yesterday they were telling me, we heard that Mumi got the police report. It is true. It is true. But nobody's talking to us. They will. They have to. It is so glaring that there's CCTV. Because the landlord said the CCTV in his house is working. Can you see? This is the car that brought the nurse. This is the nurse. Feishara here. This is, see, the gate was open for her. This is her coming in. I think that person is Wumi that opened the gate for her, because it seemed like it's Wumi that led her into the apartment. Anger didn't allow us see all these things. Many of us didn't even take note of it. So all the story of no CCTV, it's all lies. There is CCTV. Now, definitely how she came in, and how Mohbad and Wumi and Darosha and Adura, all of them came in on Sunday. Definitely there's a CCTV. How they not carry his body, jigba. There's a CCTV. There is a CCTV. So, many things that we need to calm down that is coming up, that we were lied to, and you know, anger of many of us were not even listening to anything. We were all crying up and down for justice for Mohbad, justice for Mohbad. But the question now is, if we are able to have the CCTV footage, they gave it. It is the police that brought it. It's not anybody else. Where is the rest? And the inside the house also had, you know, I said that in the beginning. I said the man said everywhere in his house has CCTV. So whoever removed anything from the inside of the house, and the police claim there's no CCTV, the man said there's CCTV everywhere in the house. The fact that we can even see the outside, we should be able to see the rest. Am I correct? The fact that we can see the outside. Because it is that CCTV footage that they are holding against nurse, that yes, nurse came. Okay. There must be a CCTV footage of when they got in together and who went out. Life, I say he went out. Spendy said he went out. Everything. There's CCTV footage of everything. Everything. So if there's CCTV footage outside, please, who took the one that is inside? Definitely there's CCTV inside too. Definitely. Definitely. Can you see the discrepancies? Are you seeing it? Are you feeling the discrepancy? I want you all to be understanding that it's something else I was told to go check. Oh, you know, yesterday videos were sent to me. I haven't finished watching those videos. And I'm about to sleep tonight again. I'll be watching more. There are discrepancies that they don't need anybody to tell me. I know, I can tell you this is exactly what happened, but I will not. I'm expecting that they give us justice for mohbad. There's CCTV. That's it. I've shown CCTV footage. Many things that you need to go and see that. And you know, like I always tell people, go and listen to the police. Many information they put out during that investigation, they were putting it out. They were putting it out without knowing that stories will change during inquest. That's what happened to the police. Do you get it? They were putting out, now the police now need to carry out investigation regarding mohbad from Ikorodu to when the father saw him lifeless. They need to, because the investigation they were doing before was in regard to, they thought their own was Naira Marley and Sam Larry by mohbad. So all they were interested in seeing that it is the nurse that came to give him injection. They were not interested in waiting by mohbad. What really took the life of mohbad? Their aim and their intent, the investigation was solely on what we Nigerians were crying out for and shouting about. That is it. There's a CCTV, functioning one, in fact, in all the apartments in that premises. The landlord, I'm told, confirmed it. Until I saw this, at least that nailed the nest. There's no way she can deny she did not go to mohbad's home. But there's more. The CCTV inside the house, who removed it? The machine or whatever, the disc.
ṣùgbọ́n ìbéèrè tí Yèyé Kúdí wá ń béèrè yìí ta ló máa dá wa lóhùn? Ó túmọ̀ sí pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Ṣé ká kú sọ pé ká fọwọ́ lẹ́rán ká máa wo ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ máa wó sí? Torí mo mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó bá lè mú àwọn ọlọ́pàá show footage ìgbà tí nurse kìíní wọlé, mi fẹ́ dárúkọ ẹ̀, tó wọlé. Àwọn ìbéèrè tí Yèyé Kúdí wá ń dáhùn yẹn, eléyìí tó sọ pé kì í ṣojú ni mohbad ṣe ṣègbà, òun ti jáde. Mo mọ̀ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí a rí àwọn evidences kọ̀ọ̀kan dì mọ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni nǹkan tẹ́ni sọ, lóòótọ́ ni nǹkan tẹ́ni sọ. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé iṣẹ́ ń lọ lábẹ́lẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ṣé a rí ìdájọ́ òdodo pẹ̀lú wọn bá nǹkan tá a ti rí, pẹ̀lú bí bọ́rọ̀ ṣe ń lọ yìí, ṣé a sì máa rí ìdájọ́ òdodo? Àbí kí n sọ wípé kí ni ìmọ̀ràn tẹ́yìn náà lè gba àwọn ọlọ́pàá, tàbí kí ni ìmọ̀ràn tẹ́ lè gbà wọ́n, tàbí kí ni àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wúrí tẹ́ lè sọ fún wọn, tàbí kí ni àwọn ọ̀nà tẹ́ lè là kalẹ̀ fún wọn láti rí i pé iṣẹ́ yìí tún yá kánmọ́ tó dẹ̀ yẹ pé wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ perfectly, tí wọ́n ní gbé ẹ̀bí fáláre, tí wọ́n ní gbé àrífẹ́lẹ́bí. Torí ìsìn báyìí tí Fèyí nìkan la rí. Ìgbà tí wọ́n gbé mohbad dìgbàdìgbà jáde lọ sí hospital lóòótọ́, wọn à ṣe ṣó ẹ̀. Ìgbà tí ó dé láti ṣe bí wọ́n ní ó fẹ́ apá ṣiṣẹ́ ni, àbí ṣe bí nǹkan tí ìyàwó ẹ̀ sọ fún wa ni. So ìgbà tó dé láti ibi tí wọ́n ti lọ ṣe ṣó, wọn à ṣe ṣó ẹ̀ ká mọ̀ bí a ṣe ló fẹ́ ṣe ara ẹ̀rìn wọlé àbí wọ́n gbé wọlé ni. Ìgbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbé jáde lóòótọ́ tán ni àwọn rush ẹ̀ lọ sí hospital. Kí ló tí wọ́n ṣó ẹ̀ ká mọ̀ bí a lóòótọ́ condition wo ló wà ń gbà yẹn, ṣó fẹ́ ṣe ara ẹ̀rìn jáde àbí lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n rush ẹ̀ lọ, àbí wọ́n tẹ̀mí kẹ́ni attempt àbí gbà. Mi mọ̀ bí gẹ́ǹtì nǹkan tí wọ́n ń portrays nǹkan tí ìyá yìí sọ ni o, kó lè yé wa dáadáa. Mo ń try láti tó rí, mo tún sọ ni o. Ìbéèrè tí ìyá yẹn ń béèrè nìyẹn o. ọkọ ẹni tó fẹ́ dá wa lóhùn ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wo ẹ jẹ́ a máa wo bí tọ̀rọ̀ máa wó sí àwa náà ò sun a máa jẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa kẹ́ máa mọ bó ṣe ń lọ Adéọmọdé ní orúkọ mi ẹ bá mi pín fídíò ìkìlẹ̀ má dẹ̀ gbàgbé láti tẹ̀lé mi lójú òpó YouTube mi ire ó dàbọ̀.